Fundamentals of transposition. Now, it's pretty easy for me to teach this. After teaching all those things, I'm going to show you the breakdown, the actual breakdown of what actually happens. Now, suppose we wanted to solve for A. We have A over B equals to C over D. Solving for A means you want to make this entire thing equal to A, right? So you have A over B equals to C over D. You want to solve for A. If A is already in the numerator, then you're good. You don't have to do much. So you would just have to get rid of B. To get rid of B, if it's in the denominator, you have to multiply both sides by it. There you would have a cancellation happening, and so you would have A is equal to C B over D. Now if you wanted to solve for B, you want to solve for B now, you would say A over B equals to C over D. And since you're solving for B, right, you want to bring B up into the numerator, right? And so this will be similar, the same way as about before. You get rid of B on this side, you bring it up in the numerator side. Cancel, cancel. You're left back with A equal to C B over D. Now you want to get rid of the friends that B has, right? So, since B is in the numerator now, to get rid of the friends, you would simply get rid of C. C is in the numerator, so you would divide by C. Once it's on top, you divide by it, and you divide by C here. Cancel, cancel. And this one you will multiply by D. Multiply by D over 1. And again you will multiply by D over here over 1. Right? That goes. And you'll be left back with AD over C is equal to B. There's a much easier way to do this. Once you're doing fractions, you could just go across diagonally without doing all of this. You could go across diagonally. For instance, A over B is equal to C over D. If you don't want to do all of this, suppose I told you to solve for D, right? We solve for B. Suppose I told you to solve for D. You're just going with something hard. What I would tell you, since you're just dealing with fractions, there's no positive or negative signs here in terms of you're not adding another fraction or another number. You would say move D across the equal sign diagonally up. Once you're underneath, you move diagonally up, right? And so you would have AD over B equal to C. But you still want to solve for D. But since this is underneath, you move this diagonally up. And since this is on top, you move this diagonally across in equal sign and down. And so pretty much you get D is equal to CB over A. You can try C and tell me what you get.